Friends, today we have to get idea about the concept of cosmeceuticals. In the last lecture, we have got idea about the concept of nutraceutical. Now, friends, I would like to another one of the announcement is that this is our last lecture from semester second and from your paper second also. So, before completing syllabus with the help of this lecture, I would like to say to my friends, always think, look at the syllabus as a we have to say that career making syllabus. Okay. Now, my friends, we have to get idea about cosmeceuticals, isn't it? Concept of cosmeceuticals. From this word, you might have come to know that what do you mean by the cosmeceuticals? We know that cosmetics have been used by the human just to make their skin little bit fair, be a beautiful by applying all these plant originated material or sometimes chemically produced materials by the peoples. But what is actually cosmeceuticals? So cosmeceuticals are nothing but the cosmetic products. One thing is clear to you. But such type of a cosmetic product which contain biologically active principles. Biologically active principles in the sense originated that active principles from the biological things, means plant, animals, like that one, or the ingredients of the plant origin, that already I have told to you, which have the effect on users, which have a effect of users. So there is a effect of active principles is there on the users, but that active principles are originated from the plant itself, or they are combination product of a cosmetics and pharmaceutical. These two words having a lot of importance, my friends. Cosmeceuticals means when we will divide this word into a two part, isn't it? So cosmeceuticals, cosmetics and ceuticals. Actually, cosme, this word we have taken from the cosmetics. So TICS is nothing there. Pharmaceuticals, pharma word we have not taken here, only end or suffix of that ceuticals of that word we have. So cosmeceutical word is formed by the combination of two words, or cosmeceutical is word is a combination of cosmetics plus and pharmaceuticals, isn't it? So these things you have to keep in mind. The product originated from the plant or active principles originated from the plant are making effect to the human being in a two ways. One way that is it acts as a cosmetics, and another way that is a medicinal point of view. So they are intended to enhance the health and dignity of the skin, not only for temporary. Keep in mind, we always thinking about the sustainable changes. The changes could take place for a long time. Once the change has been taken place, that could remain as it is for a long time. So here also you have to keep in mind, whenever we apply any cosmetics, only 10-12 hours or one day, that cosmetics can give a, we have to say that, fairness or beautifulness to the skin or to the face of a human being, only one day. But suppose we apply the cosmeceuticals, then that fairness we can find for many, we have to say that, days. That is why such things are going to happen, because cosmetics are only cosmetics, and cosmeceuticals are the combination of a cosmetics and pharmaceuticals. So cosmetics gives a beautifulness to the skin, but pharmaceuticals make that skin healthy. I think you might have understood the concept of cosmeceuticals. Now, next. cosmeceuticals are differ from the cosmetics, since the cosmetics are the inert substances which cleanse or enhance the appearance of the skin without any therapeutic benefit. So when we apply the cosmetics, no, we can find therapeutic changes benefit takes place to the applied skin, isn't it? On other hand, pharmaceuticals are used to prevent the diseases or planned to influence the physiological structure or the function of the body. So sometimes you have to keep in mind, as I have said to you, pharmaceuticals are helping to make the skin not only healthy but to again changes the structure. Physiologically they are helping to the change in the structure of the skin is there. So pharmaceutical point of view, these cosmeceuticals are having a lot of importance. My friends, why the human being inclined toward these cosmeceuticals? Because we know that actually right now many more problems are about us. One thing I will right now I will only related with this our today's lecture is that we know that most of the peoples are exposed to the UV radiations, isn't it? And collagen and elastin fibers of the skin are broken. Keep in mind, my friends, due to effect of exposing skin to the ultraviolet rays, the collagen and elastin fibers of the skin gets broken down because of some enzymes, because of some enzyme that is a collagenase and elastase, collagenase and elastase, and the structure of the skin deteriorates. Means what happens actually, that you have to understand very well here. Actually, because of exposing skin to the ultraviolet radiations, there is a activeness of enzyme collagenase and elastase increases. Increase in the enzymatic activity responsible for breaking of a collagen and elastin fibers of the skin, and because of that one, that leads to the deterioration of a skin of human being. Now collagen and elastin are responsible for, what is the role played by this collagen in the skin? Actually elastin and collagen is responsible for maintaining the elasticity and integrity of the skin. Keep in mind, elasticity of the skin is depending upon the health, we will say that, or structure, texture, function of collagen and elastin fibers. Whenever such a collagen, elastin are deteriorated because of increase in the synthesis of collagenase and elastase enzyme is there, that deteriorates the structure of that one, that breaks that one, and definitely elasticity and integrity of the skin breaks. As the skin is prolonged to expose to the UV radiations, in that quantity there is a activeness of collagenase and elastase enzyme takes place, and in that same concentration or amount, collagen and elastin fibers of the skins are broken away takes place, and definitely that leads to the change in elasticity and integrity of the skin takes place. So keep in mind how the things are going to happen, and when we want to cure these things, we maintain these, or so although there is a prolonged period of a UV radiations to the skin is there, nothing can happen when we apply the cosmeceuticals. So several plant extract, my friends, and antioxidants obtained from natural sources are able to prevent the aging and also improve the appearance of the skin. We know that as age increases, definitely there is an increase in the we have to say that increased age we can see by looking at any fellow, but when that fellow is applying a proper cosmeceuticals, antioxidant having cosmeceuticals, definitely we cannot tell the exact age of any old fellow, isn't she? So that is because of appearance of the skin is there. An appearance of the skin changes because of application or use of a proper cosmeceuticals. Now, several herbal drugs are also used in medicines practice for the production of a cosmeceuticals. Since now few of them are given in the next slide. Here we will be able to say that herbal drugs are used in formulation of a, in production of a, in synthesis of a, in many more cosmeceutical products. Anti-itch means whatever things are there, some paining is there. That paining can be skin disorder, Arjuna, cucumber gel, Mangista, vetiver, isn't it? Anti-inflammatory, then aloe vera, boswellia, chandan, rakta chandan, rose. In case of antioxidant, amla, ginkgo biloba, rosemary, turmeric, green tea is there. Anti-wrinkle, we know that wrinkle, that is a, we have to say that little bit, we can find the age of fellow by seeing the wrinkles on his face, isn't it? But suppose there is no wrinkle, when we cannot tell the exact age of that fellow because of healthy skin of that fellow, no wrinkles are there. So apricot, aloe vera, ashwagandha, ginseng, licorice, papaya, that can be used just to lessen the wrinkling of the skin. Anti-aging, amla, aloe vera, curcumin. Astringent, calmoli, galls, lemon, Purslane, astringent, that is purslane, sage, thyme, then depigmentation, papaya, cucumber, turmeric, and mangista can be used. Here also we'll be able to see that many more antiseptic, neem, tulsis, citrus peel, then turmeric, lavender oil, vetiver, witch mace, then cooling effect also vetiver, lemon, neem, rose, fenugreek, mentha, cucumber, sunscreen, then calendula, carrot, chamomile, cucumber, chamomile, aloe vera, red sander. Smoothing of skin is possible by using ashwagandha, fenugreek, almond oil, sesame oil, vetiver, gel, orange oil. Nourishing skin, wheat, germ oil, honey, peach, carrot, apricot. So we'll have to look at all these things. Hair disorders are there, we can find in case of human being, that can be cured by using all these things. Whenever some lesions are there, again hair tonic we can use Jatmansi, coconut oil, sesame, pure coconut oil, hair wash, amla soap, all sort of the things that is possible. These all are the cosmeceuticals which helps to make the health of the things. With this, my friends, I have to say that thank you very much. This is the last unit, last today's our lecture of paper second, semester second. If you have any difficulty, just you try to approach me, try to contact me, and regarding the examination, all sort of the things, you will get the notices or information through the WhatsApp or telephonically. So be alert, be at your home, stay at your home, and be safe at your home in this period. Thank you very much, my friends. If you have any difficulty, you can, again I will tell to you, you can approach me when possible to you directly. You can contact me. My mobile number might be knowing to you. If you have my mobile number, if you have difficulty related with subject, related with knowledge, related other things are also there, you don't afraid, feel free to approach me at any time. I will say that to you, any difficulties are there regarding any type of problems, I will, or I have to say that, available to you 24 into 7, isn't it? 24 घंटे मैं आपके लिए हाजिर हूँ. Try to contact me. I will help you as per my nature up to my potential, I will try to help you. Thank you very much.